Yo, what's good? Welcome to another video. But if we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. I like to help people, maybe just like yourself, find more enjoyment and play more confidence with the electric bass. That's what we do here. Uncomplicated bass tutorials. Check this out. Don't come for me in the comments. I got one confession to make about this. This song I have kind of played wrong for several years. And when I say wrong, I mean that, you learn a song, you have your own type of fingering and stuff like that. Then you get to know the guy who, played one version of the bass line, and you're like, oh, wait, I never played it like that. The point, at the end of the day, does the audience still have a good time? Does anybody get off the dance floor? That's the point. However, having said that, this is probably one of the most tutorialized, I'm going to say tutorialized bass lines on the planet. And that's good times. Now, a lot of times, before I even get into this, I'm going to give you part of this, and then I'm going to ask if you want to see a full, more in-depth thing. Please join me over at the Blue Collar Bass Camp, okay, where I'm able to go in more in-depth with tunes in a way that I can't do here on YouTube. Of course, this is originally played by Bernard Edwards, as you probably know already. Chic, good times. 9 out of 10 times, corporate bands, wedding bands, bar bands, they're going to play good times, and then somewhere in the middle, throw in Rapper's Delight. The bass lines are slightly different. So here's the first one. Okay, now here is the second one. Okay, now I'm not going to talk too much about the slight difference here, but I want to show you one, how I have consistently played it. To me, it doesn't matter if you play the open A or the closed A. That's just my opinion. I know Chip Sharon, who I consider a homie, has said that he played it open A. I've seen some people play open strings, play an open D, stuff like that. That doesn't work for me. So this is the way that I approach that. Okay? So let's talk that second part. So you're kind of bouncing off of the A string. Chip Sharon will do a now, depending on your instrument and also, the tone of your instrument, all that stuff, if you get that little, more of a nasally sound, some of those ghost notes are going to pop out a little bit more. But also, what was I going to say? Dang, I'm sweating. I don't know if you know this, but my AC, look, you got to deal with the fan noise. Listen, my central air went out, and I've been using this portable AC, and I didn't want to have too much fan noise in the video, but you got to deal with it now. Hot in here. So, once you're grooving, things come out. It's almost harder to do it slow. I've been playing it for a minute. It's almost harder to do it slow. Ah. So what I just did there, I don't know if that even happens on the record, but that's like a Mark Adams-ism that I have adopted and have started throwing into there when I'll play that. So that's something that I started doing on my own. I may have heard it somewhere. You know, I may have Christopher Columbus that thing. Let me know in the comments if you get that joke. Ah. Dig? So anyway, I'm gonna go into more into more detail on this over at the Blue Collar Bass Camp. So join me there. There'll be a piece of this video and then a little bit more in depth. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. As always, there's a lot of bass resources online. I appreciate you stopping by this way. Hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. 2 fingers.